comfortable. Wow, so clear. I think this is the right size for me. And it is so clear. I think this is the right size for me. And I checked the measurement, and I never know what is the right size. And I have never thought about something about size. But there is actually a size about this distance and this distance, this width, and what else, and the size of the glass, and etc., etc. But anyway, I think last time I didn't get the perfect size. I just feel the core, the center of this lens is a little bit off. But this time, and sometimes when I wear it, it was not the most comfortable. But this one is just the right size, so it's very comfortable on my eyes. And pretty good. And this is the second time I got them. I didn't get it for free. They offer something for free up to 150 degree, and I am more than that, so I have to pay the price difference around $10. So the whole thing with this one, with this everything in this envelope is around $10. I think it's pretty good, don't you agree? I like it. It's something different. Enjoy. This is a very... It's not bad. Oh, are we videotaping? Yes. Okay, my hair a bit long and it's becoming... I have to... whatever, just like it. Just let it be like this. And then I remember yesterday I did a semi-winner unboxing. I mean, I had an unboxing of a pair of glasses, and you have seen it, but you have not seen me wearing it. How do I look? It's like a panda bear. It's so clear. I can see, I can count each of my freckles. Just too clear.